Summary of Meddling with Mistletoe. In Meddling with Mistletoe, Liz Johnson delivers a charming holiday romance filled with heartwarming moments, delightful humor, and festive cheer. Set in a picturesque small-town bed and breakfast, this novel tells the story of opposites attracting during the most magical time of the year. The story begins with Harper Lawson, a sunny, optimistic woman who has made her mark as a skilled baker with a penchant for Christmas-themed treats. Having faced her share of heartbreak, Harper is determined to make this holiday season special for everyone around her. She takes a seasonal position at a quaint BB nestled in a snowy town known for its over-the-top Christmas celebrations. Harper's goal is simple: bring joy to the guests and infuse the BB with festive magic through her baking. Enter Grayson Calloway, a brooding, no-nonsense writer who checks into the BB for what he hopes will be a quiet retreat. Grayson is not a fan of Christmas. Haunted by a personal loss that sapped the holiday spirit from his life, he prefers solitude over seasonal festivities. His grumpy demeanor immediately clashes with Harper's infectious cheer. The BB's proprietors, a mischievous older couple known for their matchmaking schemes. Notice the tension between Harper and Grayson. Recognizing the potential for romance, they devise a series of coincidental encounters to push the two together. From kitchen mishaps to mistletoe mix-ups, the meddling pair ensure that Harper and Grayson are constantly in each other's orbit. As Harper works to win over the guests and brighten Grayson's mood, their initial friction gives way to unexpected understanding. Harper sees through Grayson's gruff exterior to the kind-hearted man beneath, while Grayson begins to admire Harper's resilience and ability to find joy even in challenging circumstances. The bond between them deepens through shared activities, including decorating the BB, baking elaborate Christmas treats, and participating in the town's annual holiday festival. However, both Harper and Grayson grapple with personal fears. Harper worries that opening her heart again might lead to more pain, while Grayson struggles to let go of his past and embrace the possibility of love. Their journey is filled with laugh-out-loud moments, heartfelt confessions, and tender scenes. Harper's determination to bring Christmas spirit to the BB becomes a metaphor for her effort to heal Grayson's heart, while Grayson's growing appreciation for Harper's warmth and optimism shows his gradual transformation. The story reaches its climax at the BB's Christmas Eve party, where a misunderstanding threatens to undo the progress Harper and Grayson have made. But with the help of the meddling innkeepers and a little Christmas magic, the two realize that love is worth fighting for. Meddling with Mistletoe is a delightful blend of grumpy sunshine romance, holiday traditions, and themes of forgiveness and new beginnings. Liz Johnson crafts a heartfelt tale that will leave readers smiling long after the final page.